my first requirements are like FR003 mortgage rate and payment calculator. The mortgage rate and payment calculator, once you log into the, the page opens with the website using http://wellsfargos.com mortgage tools rate calculator input page. The page opens with loan purpose, refinance, and purchase, home values and loan amount, text box, property location, and state and county. Now, my next requirement is FR003A, which is like a valid requirement. The user select the loan purpose, either purchase or refinance. I tested the application with the purchase. The user enters the valid home values, loan amount, and select the state and county. Then click on calculate rates and payment. The mortgage rate results are displayed with the loan type, interest rate, APR, and payment. So there are like all different type of loan payment product, like 30-year, 15-year options, and then different rates and APRs, and then monthly payments. So my next requirement is FR00-B, which is invalid entries. If the user input the invalid entries, the error message is displayed. We are sorry, the service is temporarily not available. Please try again. The next is like FR003SC blank. If the blank entries are made, the error message is displayed. The same error message, we are sorry, the service is temporarily not available. Please try again. Or please correct the highlighted entries. That's what the next error message will be displayed if it is blank. Okay. My last one is like FR003-D, which is loan amount is not within 85%. The loan amount should be within 85% of home value. Let's say, for example, the loan amount is $50,000. Then I have to put like at least $8,000 down payment. Then the loan amount will come up with like $42,000 something. That would be within 85%. If that's the correct down payment, then click on calculate rates and payment. The mortgage purchase results are displayed with the loan type, interest rate, APR, and payment. If I put it, if not within the 85% of home value or invalid entries, like let's say for example $0 in down payment, then no matching results error message is displayed. So that's the another requirements for the loan amount is not within 85%. So these are the functionalities that I have tested. So preamp